Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to lock home screen layout on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. One common reason is to prevent accidental rearrangement or deletion of applications. And then by locking the home screen layout, users can ensure that their applications and widgets stay in their preferred positions, even if they accidentally tap and hold on the screen. Well, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you have to go to the settings menu on your device. Okay, and then in this page, you can scroll down and select home screen option. Well, and then here will appear several settings, and then to lock home screen layout, you can turn on this option, lock home screen layout. Okay, so now your home screen layout is successfully locked. Well, that's the tutorial on how to lock home screen layout on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helping this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.